Okay guys, I'm about to take this mask off to show you guys. It's been 15 minutes. Oh my god. It looks so, my face looks so clear. About the mask is that it seems thin. Yes, it is 24 karat gold. I'm happy about that and everything, but it seems very thin. All right, so maybe I gotta put enough on. Okay, hey guys, today I decided to do a double whammy for you guys. Okay, so we have two Friday vision videos. Alright Alex, so I'm going to show you first. Let's open up. Okay, he wants to do his tongue first. We can do. Okay, come on. No, you can't eat it. Come on. Let's just try it. Teeth. Okay guys, no. Before using this mask, you need to wash your face. And I tell you guys that all the time. When you're using, different sheet masks or anything, make sure your face is already pre-washed, whether you wash it with regular water or wash it with whatever you like to wash your face with. Okay guys, so I'm going to tell you guys why this mask is amazing. Number one, you guys, a month ago, I had a breakout. I mean, I should have filmed it. I should have. I was just so freaked out because I've never had that type of breakout. I mean, I was like, well, okay, well, it has to be what I'm eating. What is it? It was all over my forehead, all coming down the sides, coming down the nose. It was just a break. Guys, it worked. Oh my God. Look at this. This is a DIY peel off egg face mask, you guys. I did it. Oh my God. Egg is so beneficial to the skin. So it is time to remove this mask. It feels so good. It feels amazing. It really does. I don't even want to take it off. Alright, so it's time to remove them. And then I do the same thing with the excess. Okay? That's it. Give you a really nice glow. I love to do these masks before I go anywhere for the day. Gives you that glow. It's really nice. Okay. I like it. So I love candy, guys. So again, I have been having trouble with like black spots, and I'm like, what did I do? So okay guys, so let me just start by saying this. I do not like using a lot of products on my face because your face will get so dependent on those products. That is, alright guys, so next is the moisturizer. Got it right guys. This is what I have. Okay guys, so I literally split. Alright, so this right here is the, I don't know if you guys can see that. Peeling out. Okay, so overall, I think that it did its job, but I don't think it's actually beneficial and it's not harmful at the same time. Okay guys, it is time for this mask to come off. As you can see, the cracks